So, headed off on a trip. Every winter, me and my uncle, we go off looking for birds of some sort up in the north or something. This time we're just staying in Missouri, but we're just going on the hunt for some rarities. Going to look for saw-whets, long-eared owls, and not a real rarity, but short-eared owls if we can stumble across some. So, got me a 5-hour drive to go pick him up, and then tomorrow we got another 5 or 6 hour drive to go. So I'm taking a pit stop right now to look for the nuthatches that were reintroduced into southeast Missouri. It's quiet out here this morning. Nothing yet. So I'm taking a pit stop. Something on my mouth. Okay, spot number 2. I think I gotta walk down this road about 100 yards or so and start looking. That's where I found them in the past. R5 and 600 F4 today. R7 staying in the car for now. We'll see what happens. Found them. I got 4 or 5 of them. You can hear them squeaking. They sound like a doggy squeaky toy. Just trying to get them. Hopefully they'll come down in these shorter pines right here. But right now they're staying up really high. We'll see. Alright, so it wasn't perfect. They never came in close, but I think I got some ID shots of them. Sorry about the sun. That's how it works. Don't always get what you want. But it was fun. Lots of brown headed nuthatches, chickadees. I bet there's 10 brown headed nuthatches. Red-breasted nuthatches, a couple whites. There's a hairy woodpecker, pileated woodpeckers, flickers, sapsuckers. There's a good mixed bag. Kinglets, lots of kinglets. They're so fast. But anyway. That looks kind of funny. But anyway, no luck yet. We've kind of once-overed it, and haven't seen anything. It's dead calm out here today. And now we're kind of gonna go on the hunt and look for whitewash at the bottom of the trees and scout out individual trees and just start cherry picking one after the other. It's tough, it's thick in there, lots of briars up underneath them. Somewhere in here is possibly maybe an owl worth finding. But it's beautiful country up here. Bigland's problems is they're heavy and they won't go in a backpack. My shoulder is bruised. Well, we found him, didn't we? Yep, apparently. And I hate to leave.
All right.
All right, well, after, what, 2 or 3 hours of searching, we finally found the long-eared owls. We flushed 1 or 2 right off the bat, and then we saw 3 or 4 more. And luckily one of them posed for us long enough to get a couple shots, and then the rest of them kind of boogered, so we're backing out so we don't bother them too much. But that's the find of the year right there. We tried this last year and we didn't find it, so.
Woohoo!
Perseverance. And we had to hike from way over that hilltop over there. Way over there. And then through like creeks and everything else.
And back.
And back. Now we gotta go back.